Hello, I just finished taking the ham radio prep course on satellite and space operations, and I want to give a quick review for those of you who might be interested in taking it as well. I think I've taken all the ham radio prep courses, enjoyed every single one, but this one on satellite and space operations, I think I enjoyed more than any of the others. I found the combination of information and practical demonstration was very helpful, very engaging. I feel like I picked up data to serve me in the future. And when I saw the hands-on demonstration of how to track a satellite, how to connect on voice, it was just very helpful. That's the type of information I'd like to get. I find that the ham radio prep courses, and this one in particular, have real solid curriculum. The information that they cover is very practical. The presenters are very engaging. I like that. I enjoy the format. I enjoy the combination of video and textual material. I enjoy the fact that you can download resources during and after the course. Checklists and things to think through as you prepare to make a satellite contact. All good for me. And I like having immediate access to the course afterwards. After I've completed it, I can go to the Ham Radio Prep website. I can take a refresher, I can review, I can download the materials I'm looking for. It's just great for me. So I would recommend it. I'd give it 5 stars on a 1 to 5 scale. I think if you're considering it, you won't be disappointed.